In this video, we're going to talk about how to create your menu layout in the FireFly POS system. This assumes that you've already set up all of your items and categories that you're going to want to add to your menu screen. Once you've done that, we go to Configuration, Menus. You can see we're starting out here with a bunch of blank menu tabs. Let's pick the first tab that we'd like to configure and give this menu a name. We'll call it Salad. Now you have an option of active days, active stations. The system will default to all, and that's fine unless you need to change it. The active times you can also leave blank unless you want this menu to only be available during certain times of the day. You can browse for a menu graphic from our library of graphic items. And finally, you have an option of scrolling menu text along the bottom of the menu screen. Since this is salad, I'm going to write a message about upgrading to avocado. Okay. The scrolling message has an option for the ID check, which will just tell us what year you must be born in order to purchase items from this menu. Okay, click the OK, and you should see your menu title over here on the tab. Now click Generate, and you'll see the grid created for this menu. Okay, now we can start putting buttons on the menu. I like to start with a label. Just select the button, select the grid that where you'd like to put the button, and then select the button type as label. And we'll say these are our salads. Okay. Now we can select our next grid and choose an item. Let's choose the item option by clicking on Browse here. Go to our salad department and choose our first salad. We can choose some options such as the size of the button and the color of the button. Also the text style and the text color. If you wanted to add a graphic to this, you can also choose to do so using our graphic library. Click OK to save this item. Now that you have this button the way you'd like it, you might want to select it, copy it, and select the next spot on your menu and just click Paste. Now you can just change the item that this button points to by selecting the next salad on the list. Another option to build your menu quickly is to use our auto-generate feature. Once you have a menu button set up the way you'd like it, just click Browse, click Auto-Generate. Once you've opened the category of the items you'd like to generate, and then you can click Auto-Generate, and it'll create the buttons either horizontally or vertically. So you can see all of the buttons for my category were added. Now I just want to move this button so it's not up above the label. To do so, I'll just select it. Oops, I have to hit OK to save changes. Then select this, and we'll click Swap. Go through the prompts, and then always finish by hitting OK. Every time you work with a button, you want to hit OK to save your changes. Okay, so keep building your menu until you get all of the items for your particular menu area that you'd like. You don't have to limit yourself to one department. You might want to mix salads and appetizers on one screen, for example. You can also add different types of buttons such as messages, coupon offers, etc., even functions that lead you to other areas of the software on the menu screen. When you're done building the menu, you want to hit Update Now. That will commit your changes and set the menu live. Okay, I've started another menu here for my pizza items so that I can show you how to add a size button. I just go and select size and then browse the pizza department, choose size, and we'll make this the slice. I'm going to make this a large button, and I can change the name. You'll want to do that for your size and your crust on this type of menu. Okay, have fun building your menu layouts in the FireFly system.